Hello everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your trusted source for powerful Excel tools. For the past 16 years, our mission has been to provide you with tools that help run your business more smoothly, automate tasks, and ultimately make your life a little bit easier. Today, I'm excited to share with you a tool that lets you find zip codes within a radius of a given zip code or address. As with all of our tools, this one is built entirely in Excel, so there's nothing to install. However, you will need a Google Maps API key to use it. Don't worry, we've included a link in the description to a video that'll guide you through the steps to get your API key in no time. Let me show you how this works. Once you download the tool, the link is in the description below, open it up. The first step is to enter the zip code that will be at the center of your search radius. Next, you'll enter the search radius. Let's say 20 miles for this example, though you can also choose kilometers if that suits your needs better. You can select to calculate by driving distance if you want. You can limit the results to the top 50 zip codes within that radius. Once you've set it up, just click the Generate button and the tool will start calculating. It'll provide both straight line distance and the driving distance from the center, giving you a list of zip codes within your desired radius. In this example, we're seeing about 45 zip codes within the 20-mile range. But if there were more, it would show the top 50 results. This tool is perfect for businesses looking to target specific geographic areas for marketing, product distribution, or even just organizing data. Whether you're working in a small area or a large radius, it simplifies the whole process. We've been building these tools for 16 years, and more than 7,500 customers rely on them every day to make their workflows smoother and more efficient. If you're not sure yet, check out our Google reviews to see what our clients are saying about how these tools have helped them save time and improve their business operations. These reviews speak volumes about how our tools have been incredibly useful and effective for our clients. If you need any help or have questions, feel free to reach out. You can contact us via phone, email, or live chat on our website. We're here to help you with any customization requests or questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tools. Until next time.